and I took the eggs, and then I put them in a bowl, and then I put the eggs, and then I put the flour in first, and then I put the eggs in, and then I put the vegetable oil in, and then I stir it. Stop. I stir it and stir it, and then take it and pick it up and taste it, right?
How does that taste?
Great. So, and then when we put it in the oven, then we cut the strawberries.
How are we cutting them?
We're cutting them with the knife. So we take them together, put the knife down, put it together, down here, make sure it stays together, then cut it as an X, and as a T, like God.
Okay.
And then take them apart, cut this part, so, in there.
So after we cut all the strawberries up, then what do we do?
Then, after we cut all the strawberries, then we have to, then when the strawberries, when we're done with the strawberries, then that means the cupcakes, the cupcakes are done. And we put the strawberries on top. And that's our show. Bye. You have to taste this.